In this video, we're going to show you how to customize the Shopify order confirmation email. The order confirmation email is one of the most important automated messages in your Shopify store. It is sent immediately after a customer completes a purchase and includes key order details such as items purchased, pricing details, shipping information, and payment confirmation. Customizing this email helps you improve branding, build trust, and create a more professional customer experience. Instead of a plain default message, you can add your logo, adjust the wording, and include helpful information or promotional content. The good news is that Shopify allows you to fully edit order confirmation emails directly from the notification settings. By the end of this video, you'll know how to access, edit, and optimize your order confirmation email for better customer communication. So let's get started. The first method is to access the order confirmation email template. Log into your Shopify admin dashboard. Go to Settings, then click Notifications. Scroll down and find the order confirmation notification. Click to open the email template editor. Next, review the email structure. Shopify uses a template system that includes dynamic variables such as order number, customer name, product list, and pricing details. Be careful when editing these sections, as removing dynamic variables may break the email content. You can now customize the subject line. Make it clear, professional, and aligned with your brand tone. For example, you can change it from a basic confirmation message to something more engaging, like "We've received your order" or "Your order is confirmed and on its way." Next, edit the email body content. You can add your brand introduction, thank you message, or customer support information. It's also a good idea to include links to your store policies, such as shipping, returns, and contact information. Then customize the design. If your theme supports email branding settings, you can add your logo, brand colors, and typography to match your store identity. Keep the layout clean and easy to read, especially on mobile devices. Next, preview your email. Shopify allows you to send a test email to yourself so you can see exactly how it will appear to customers. Check formatting, spacing, images, and links to ensure everything looks correct. Finally, save your changes and monitor performance. Make sure customers are receiving the updated version and that all dynamic order information is displaying correctly. In most situations, these steps are enough to fully customize your Shopify order confirmation email. Now let's quickly recap what we covered. First, open the order confirmation email template in Shopify notifications. Second, customize the subject line, message, and branding carefully using dynamic variables. And third, test the email to ensure it displays correctly across devices. Remember that order confirmation emails are not just receipts, they are an important part of your brand experience. A well-designed confirmation email builds trust, reduces support requests, and improves customer satisfaction immediately after purchase. And that's how to customize the Shopify order confirmation email. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with others who want to build a successful Shopify store. Your support helps us create more tutorials, e-commerce guides, and practical tips to help you grow your online business. If there's another Shopify feature you'd like us to cover, feel free to leave a comment below. We'd love to hear your suggestions and ideas for future videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.